In the recording. Okay, so chapter number 3, matrices, we already have started, and the various types of matrices we already have covered. In today's class, I'm going to talk about the various mathematical operations on the matrices, which refers to the addition, subtraction, and the multiplication initial. Two matrices can never be divided. We'll come to that part later on. Addition of matrices. Two given matrices A and B can be added if both are of the same order. That is a main condition. And the sum of two matrices is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of the given matrices. What does this mean? So if A is a matrix Aij, B is a matrix Bij, order is M cross N for both, then we write that C is the sum A plus B, and that will be of course of the same order, wherein all the elements are given by simply Aij plus Bij. For example, consider A and B, they are of the same order. The order of both the matrices is 2 cross 3. So when we are to add these two matrices, you simply consider the first A11 and here B11. So that will be the 1 minus 9. Next, it is 2 plus 3 and so on, which is your required answer. So addition is very basic. For the multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, let's say you are given with a matrix A, Aij, order is M cross N, and K is any scalar, any numerical value. It can be 2, it can be minus 7, it can be 3 by 2. Then how we define K times A? You just multiply the each element of A by K. For example, if matrix A is given and you need 2 times A, तो multiply each element by 2. That's it. हर एक element को 2 से multiply किया, you will have the value of 2A. Properties of scalar multiplication. Simple. A times, if it is A plus B, where A and B are two matrices of the same order, then the K gets distributed like this. And this is again very obvious to understand. Negative of a matrix. A negative denoted by minus of A. It's simply you multiply the matrix all elements by -1. So if this is a matrix A, the minus A is simply multiply each element by -1, or in simple word, you change the sign of all the elements. You will get -A. Difference of matrices. If A and B are again matrices of the same order, M cross N, then the difference C, say A minus B, how we find? Consider the simple example. A and B are given. You just subtract the corresponding elements. So A minus B means first element will be 1 minus of -9. That would be simply 10. Similarly, next element 2 minus 3, -1, and so on. But do remember, order should be same. Then only we can talk about the addition and the difference of two matrices. Properties of matrix addition. Commutative law holds true. That means A plus B is equal to B plus A. Also, the associative law holds true. You add the matrices A, B, and C in any order, the final answer will be the same. Existence of additive identity. So what do we mean by additive identity? What matrix you add to the given matrix A, that the answer remains the same. So that is obviously the zero matrix. But in this case, the zero matrix, we need to choose of the same order of that of matrix A. An additive inverse, what matrix should be added so that the answer, the resultant matrix, is a zero matrix? So that is clearly minus of A, negative A. So you are using additive identity, additive inverse as a terminology since class 6th onward. Now very important thing comes, the multiplication of the two matrices. As in case we have observed in case of addition and subtraction, order should be same. In case of multiplication, one possibility, yes, if the orders are same, we can multiply the two matrices. But even if the order is not same, but the number of columns in the matrix A is same as the number of rows in the matrix B, then we can also define the multiplication, the product A into B. So if A is a matrix Aij, order is M cross N. The other matrix B, the order is given N cross P. So check it out. A has the order M cross N. B has the order N cross P. So what do we note here? It is the number of columns in A, and here it is the number of rows in B. If they are same, then the multiplication AB is well defined, and the order of the final product will be M cross P. That will be the order of the matrix A into B. So how we are going to multiply two matrices? Let's consider one example. Given two matrices, observe that the order of A is 2 cross 2 and B, the order is 2 cross 3. Observe this. This and this should be same. If these two are matching, multiplication AB is well defined, and the answer order will be 2 cross 3. So 2 cross 3 matrix AB will be there. Right. So that would be of the form, say, 2 cross 3 matrix will be something like this: A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, and A23. Now, how we are going to get these 6 elements? That is important. Please check out very carefully. So A11, focus only on the first element, how I am going to get A11. Multiply and adding the elements of row 1 of A, this is row 1 of A, with the elements of column 1 of B. This is the column. So you just multiply the corresponding elements. Multiply the corresponding elements means first element multiply, so 1 into minus 2, और फिर add कर दो. क्या add करना है? Remaining. Next क्या हो गया? 2 into 4. So that would be nothing but your A11. How we are going to get A12? A12. For A12, multiply and adding the elements of row 1, but this time take the second column of matrix B to obtain A12. Similarly, A13, A21, A22, and A23 can be obtained. Let us now check it out, the rule which we have just seen over here. Please note carefully once again, A into B, 1, 2, and from the matrix B, highlight -2, 4. Corresponding ऐसे ही 3, 5 and then 1, 6. So that will give me the first row of matrix C. Check it out. First one कैसे हुआ है? 1 into -2 ये रहा, प्लस 2 into 4. ये गैप है बीच में, और A12 ये है. कैसे आया? एक ये देखा और इधर से फोकस करा सिर्फ 3, 5 के ऊपर. तो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए एंड ऐड देम टुगेदर. Similarly, next, focus and highlight on the second row of matrix A, और correspondingly वही column 1, column 2 और column 3 से multiply कर दीजिए to get the following entries. Simplify, you will have your required answer. Let us consider another example. Find the following product. I am taking a simple case wherein both matrices are of the same order, 3 cross 3, right? So how we are going to multiply them? Everyone, please be very focused. यहाँ ध्यान. So focus on first row यहाँ से, और इसे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे यहाँ के फर्स्ट कॉलम से. So पहली बात, ये और ये मैच कर गया, मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज वेल डिफाइंड, एंड आंसर का ऑर्डर भी होगा 3 क्रॉस 3. तो मींस वी आर फाइनली गोइंग टू गेट द आंसर इन समवट दिस पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म. नाउ वी नीड टू राइट डाउन ऑल दीज एलिमेंट्स. तो कैसे निकालेंगे? फर्स्ट एलिमेंट A11 क्या है? कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करा, यहां से फर्स्ट रो से और यहाँ का फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो 3 into 1 प्लस -1 into -6 प्लस 0 into -4. नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड एलिमेंट, फर्स्ट रो, but this time focus on the second column. So 3 into 3 plus -1 into 8 plus 0 into 6. थर्ड, A13, यहाँ का फर्स्ट रो ही है और कॉलम अब की बार यहाँ फोकस किया, थर्ड वन. सो दैट वुड बी 3 into 5 plus -1 into 3 plus 0 into 5. I hope this idea is clear. Can I see your yes or no in a chat box? Only
Yes.
like Y or N. Yes. चैट बॉक्स में एक बार मैं देखना चाहूंगा आपका रिस्पॉन्स, Y और N. अगर क्लियर नहीं है, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट वंस अगेन. ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट. ओके, चलिए, गुड. सो नाउ प्लीज फाइंड आउट रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स. So what is A21? A21 चैट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए A21. Okay, Lavish is saying it's 2. Okay, let's check it out. बाकी भी करके देखिए. So this would be 2 into 1 plus 0 into minus 6 plus 3 into minus 4. No. Is it 2 only? 2 into 1 plus 0 into minus 6 plus 3 into minus 4. Everyone is getting 2. Please check it out. It's minus 10. आप ध्यान से देखिए. Let me just change the color. Yeah. So, oh, this and correspondingly this. Multiply the elements. So 2 into 1. First element multiply plus 0 into minus 6 plus 3 into minus 4. Right? So this is 2 minus 12 minus 10. Please check it out. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट यहां क्या आएगा? 822 की अब बात करते हैं. सो दैट वुड बी, यहां से तो इसी को देखना है, बट यहां से मेरा फोकस अब आ जाएगा सेकेंड कॉलम. सो 2 into 3 plus 0 into 8 plus 3 into 6. दिस इज मोर ऑफ द विजुअल. बस देखना है और उसको थोड़ा प्रॉपर ऑर्डरिंग में लिखना है. सिमिलरली यहां क्या आएगा? 2 into 5 plus 0 into 3 plus 3 into 5. Finally, अब आपके लिए क्वेश्चन है, what is A31? Please find out A31. Okay, I'm getting different answers. Okay. -1, -2, maximum are -1. Okay. चलिए, प्लीज एवरीवन वेरीफाई. आपकी बार किस पे फोकस है? तो यहां से थर्ड रो और यहां का फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स को मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया एंड दिस. सो जब आप इसे सॉल्व करेंगे, दिस इज 1 plus 6 minus 8 which is -1. Right. Similarly, you can write down the other elements. So 1 into 3 plus -1 into 8 plus 2 into 6. And finally, 1 into 5 plus -1 into 3 plus 2 into 5. The way you look at it, okay, Lavish, 12 बता रहे हो आप नेक्स्ट आंसर. चलिए एक बार सभी वेरीफाई कर लीजिए. 15 minus, yes, A33 is 12. Yes, and 7 आ गई थी A32. Perfect. But last step में you just solve it and all entries को proper लिख देंगे. You will have the multiplication of these two matrices. Writing of order is not compulsory part, but it is generally recommended if you write it. One another question for you. अभी गलती हुई थी, अब नहीं होगी. अब प्लीज ध्यान से करिए इसे. Find the product AB. I'm waiting. The very first thing is we need to be ensure whether the multiplication is defined or not. because it may be possible that you will not be able to multiply the given two matrices. Anyway, the order of A is 2 cross 3 and here it is 3 cross 2. तो हमें क्या मैच करना होता है, ये और ये सेम होने चाहिए, मैच कर गया, एंड आंसर का ऑर्डर क्या होगा, ये 2 क्रॉस 2. तो आंसर विल बी सिंपली a matrix like this consisting of 4 elements. Okay, Tanmay has given the first, ये 9 minus 1, 12. Okay, let me see. देखिए क्या करेंगे अब हम यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई में, this and this, right? So 2 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 5. Next element 2 into, अब फोकस शिफ्ट हो गया सेकंड कॉलम पर, -1 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 0. और नेक्स्ट फिर इसकी बारी आई, तो 4 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 5. And next 4 into -1 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 0. Simplify, you will get your required answer. फोर माइनस टू 17 0. अच्छा पहले 17, ठीक है, आप सभी प्लीज चेक कर लीजिए. तो द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर इज 17 and here it is 0 and here it is 4 and here it is -2. Right. Okay, can we find the product BA in the same question? Is the multiplication BA is defined? Yes or no? चेक करते हैं. B का ऑर्डर क्या है, 3 क्रॉस 2. A का ऑर्डर क्या है, 2 क्रॉस 3. मल्टीप्लिकेशन की कंडीशन क्या होती है, ये और ये मैच करने चाहिए, मैच कर गए, तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन BA इज डिफाइंड एंड द आंसर BA का ऑर्डर क्या होगा, 3 क्रॉस 3. तो BA will be a 3 cross 3 matrix like this. ठीक है, apply a simple logic. So this part for your homework, find the product BA also. But yes, not always it will happen कि AB is defined तो BA भी define होगा. In general, matrix multiplication is not commutative. But yes, as it is shown on the screen, it is associative. If you multiply any three matrices, if it is product is well defined, then you write AB and then multiply with C, or you multiply BC and then like this, multiply with A. Matrix multiplication will be associative. Distributive law, easy to understand. Next is existence of multiplicative identity. By what matrix we multiply the given matrix A so that answer remains the same. Clearly that is matrix I of the same order. आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स था ना, आई से डिनोट करा है, 1 0 0 1 एंड सो ऑन. Zero matrix as a product of two non-zero matrices. Now this is important to understand. For real numbers, we know if A into B is 0, if A into B is 0, then clearly either A will be 0 or B will be 0. But this need not to be true for the matrices actually. For example, look at the simple case from the NCERT textbook only. You are given with two non-zero matrices AB. Observe that their product is zero matrix. Product is zero. But none of them is a zero matrix. Both are non-zero matrices. Now, based on the operations on the matrices, let us start NCERT textbook questions exercise 3.2. Of course, I'm not going to cover each and every question or each and every part. If a question consists of say 4 parts, so let me take only 1 or 2 parts. Or if say the 2-3 questions are similar, I will skip 2 questions and will talk only about 1 question. To begin with, very simple question. Check it out. Right, so that's very simple. A minus B, subtract two matrices, usual method. 3A minus C. So we already have seen the scalar multiplication meaning 3A and then minus C. तो 3A का मतलब 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया हर एक एलिमेंट को and then subtracted the matrix C. Please check out the answer. Okay. चलिए प्रोडक्ट ए भी निकालिए, ए और बी गिवन है, आई एम वेटिंग. ओके, चलिए ठीक है, गुड. तो चेक आउट ए बी प्रोडक्ट, रो और कॉलम कैसे हमने मल्टीप्लाई करे थे, एंड हियर इज योर आंसर. प्लीज वेरीफाई. Already I've seen in the chat box few answers. ठीक है, बिल्कुल आपका भी तन्मय और यहाँ समृद्धि राइट और भी ऊपर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, गुड. यस. Now in this case, the multiplication BA is asked. So just write B first and then A, usual method. And here is your answer. Addition of two matrices. कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स को सिर्फ ऐड ही करना था. Yes, now in this case, one can easily observe we are getting the formulas a plus b whole square and so on. The simple addition, again addition. But if you are getting some formula, of course, sin square x plus cos square x is 1, वो use कर लेंगे. The multiplication questions now. What will be the order of the answer इस case में matrix multiplication में? Anyone? You can unmute yourself. Chat box में लिख दो या unmute करके बताओ. What will be the order? आंसर का ऑर्डर 1 क्रॉस 3 रहेगा. It is 3 क्रॉस 3. Check it out. मैट्रिक्स ए अगर मैं पहले वाले को कहता हूं उसका ऑर्डर आपका क्लियरली 3 क्रॉस 1 है. नेक्स्ट वाले का ऑर्डर क्या है? 1 क्रॉस 3. तो सिर्फ पहली बात तो ये और ये मैच करना चाहिए. तो प्रोडक्ट इज डिफाइंड एंड आंसर का ऑर्डर यहां से मिलेगा 3 एंड 3. तो आंसर का ऑर्डर 3 क्रॉस 3 रहेगा. प्लीज ध्यान से देखिए इसे. Check out the next question. Now I'm sure since most of you must have understood, or everyone, how to multiply the two matrices if it is well defined, and that is very very important to understand. आगे भी बहुत जगह हम ये use करने वाले हैं concept को. So I skip this question. Clearly 3 क्रॉस 3 की दो matrices हैं. आंसर का ऑर्डर 3 क्रॉस 3 ही रहेगा. So that you can easily verify. I'll be sharing the PDF and the video recording with you later so that आप अपने आप पहले आंसर निकाल के देखिए and then cross check from here. Now this is simple situation 3a minus 5b. This is fifth question of NCERT. Multiply by 3 each element of A and multiply each element of B by 5 and then subtract them. Check out this. What's the answer? I'm waiting. Yes. Anyone? Answer. ओके, कृतिका, ओके, प्रणव, ओके, अर्चित, ठीक है, ओके, many are coming with the answer, so one can easily check it out. So you are getting finally a simple 2 cross 2 identity matrix. Now consider this question. आपको x plus y मैट्रिक्स दिया है and x minus y. Find x and y. So use the usual approach. Let's say this is first, this is second equation. Add them because coefficients are same. तो simply आप इन्हें add करेंगे. What will happen? LHS में y से y cancel, 2x बचेगा और RHS के अंदर आपने मैट्रिसेस को ऐड कर दिया. ये 2x की वैल्यू आई है तो 2 से RHS में डिवाइड कर दीजिए. You will get the value of x. Once I have x with me, अब आप x की वैल्यू कहीं पर भी फर्स्ट या सेकंड कहीं भी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए. You will get the value of y. ओके, ठीक है, यस, बिल्कुल ठीक आंसर, यस, राइट, कृतिका. फाइनली दिस क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये देखेंगे हम. Find x and y. Now in this case, what do we note? Coefficients are not the same. जैसे पिछले केस में तो यूनिटी था. तो रिमेंबर इन क्लास 10th आपने कई मेथड करे हुए सॉल्विंग ऑफ इक्वेशंस के लिए. The most popular and the common one is equating the coefficient, right? So here also फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड कह दिया और अब आप कोफिशिएंट इक्वेट कर दो. क्या मतलब? फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को 2 से और सेकंड को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. तो अगर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करा है है 6y बना दिया. बस अब आपकी जो ये दोनों इक्वेशंस आ गई थर्ड एंड फोर्थ, आप इन्हें जब सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे, आई विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. एंड वंस आई हैव अगेन द वैल्यू ऑफ x विद मी, x की वैल्यू कहीं भी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. I'll get the value of y. You can cross check your answer. So here is your required answer. Chaliye, we stop till here. I'll provide you with the homework, few questions based on the topic which we have covered after say an hour or so, because I have my another class now. You may leave the class now. Thank you. Chaliye, please leave. Tanisha, Ayush. Ayush.